Hello children, welcome back to the class. I hope everyone are doing well and safe at home. So today we'll continue the lesson that is the parts of a plant. In parts of a plant already we have discussed about various parts of a plants and the leaves, roots, stems, etc. So today also we'll continue the same lesson, but today we are going to learn the next part of a plant, that is the flowers. As we know, flowers are very most beautiful part of a plant. Okay, next, so the flowers will get from the fruit. Yes, already we all knows the flowers will get from the fruits and it produce the new one, and flowers of many shapes, color and sizes. As we know, there are many color size, right? So and the flowers of some plants are eaten as vegetables, for example cauliflower and broccoli. Okay, as we know, so these are the flowers that can be eaten. Okay, no? So next one is fruits and seeds, and the flowers of different plants grows into fruits. As we know, fruits are very fleshy, tasty and juicy, and most of the fruits contains seeds in them. Some seeds are in one seed and others are in number in seeds. Okay, and some seeds are no seeds. Okay, you can see here there are fruits contains only one seed, or seeds like many in fruits like many seeds, and in there are many seeds that is we can take. Okay, can make food. Okay, we can use the seeds to make a fruit. Okay, and some seeds you can see like banana has no seeds at all. Okay, so what is the importance of fruit? Yes, the first fruits are very tasty and juicy and stores food of the plant, and it protects the food within it. Yes, the fruit protect the seeds within it for that new plants grow. Okay, so what are the seeds? Yes, most plants grow from the fruit and it contains a baby plant inside them. Okay children, so it which also stores food in the baby plant. The baby plant grows when the seeds get air, water and sunlight, and it keeps growing, then it become an adult plant. Okay children, so this is the structure of seeds. In this it is there the food store, seeds coat and embryo, that is the baby plant. In the every seeds the baby plant is present in it. Okay children, is it clear? A seeds consist of three parts. Here is, you can see a seeds consist of three parts. That is seed coat to protect, yes, harder outer covering of the seeds. The outer seeds, that is the seed coat. We call it as seed coat. That is cotyledons. Okay, cotyledons. That is the outer part of a seed. Next is they contains foods for the baby plant. Next is that is the embryo, that is baby plant is the embryo. We call it as baby plant for embryo. Okay children, and baby plants that grows into a new plant. Okay, types of seeds. Seeds that have only one cotyledon are called monocot seeds. For example, corn, wheat, rice, etc. Okay, we can see the single seeds, that is the monocot, and seeds that have two cotyledons are called dicot seeds, that is the gram, pea, bean, etc. This is the examples of dicot seeds. What is that? Gram, pea, bean, etc. Okay children, is it clear? As you can see here, that is the monocot, because that is only one cotyledon. Okay, and in dicot that is a two, yes, that has two cotyledon, that is the dicot seed. So next we can see here, so this is the process of germination. So first is a seed. Yes, when we put in the soil, the seeds when we put in the soil, okay, after putting the soil, we have to when we'll put the water, on in the soil, the seeds will absorb water. Yes, when seeds will absorb water. Next, it's the seeds want lights. Yes, the seeds wants light. Okay, sunlight. Okay, after absorbing the light, water and air, that becomes the baby plant, that which is inside the seed, that will come out. Yes, that is come out from the seed. After absorbing light, water and the air, the baby plant will come out from the seed. So next it will grow. You can see here, first from the seed, after it absorbs the light, water and air, so the baby plant will come out. Yes, the baby plant will come out from the seed and it will grow a small plant. You can see here, third one, it can grow into a small plant. So after that, in few days the plants will start to grow. Okay, so this is the process. What is that process of germination? This is the process of germination. As you can see here in the first picture, that is a seed inside the soil. Okay, that is seed inside the soil. So after taking the water, after observing the water and minerals from the soil, next it want light, yes, sunlight, air and water. So after observing the sunlight, water and the air, so the baby plant from the seeds will come out. Yes, as we know, the baby plant will be inside, is present in every seed. So after taking the light, air and sunlight, so baby plant will come out. You can see in this next picture. So after then few days, the plant will grow. Yes, the plant will grow in a small, slowly it will grow. So after few days, it like this only, the plants will come out. Yes, the plants will come out and it will start to growing. So that is the plant as we have studied the plants how to grow. So this is the process of germination. So children, here there are parts like roots. In the roots there are two parts, that is taproot and fibrous root. That is two also different roots. Then next, stems. In stems also there are many types of stems, that is hard and thick stem and thin stems also there. Next, the leaves, the green leaves. Next, flowers, the beautiful flower, and the fruit that we eat, fruit or vegetables. And last we have learned the germination, process of germination. So here we have learned the lesson. Okay, lesson, what is that? Parts of a plants. Okay children, is it clear? Okay, so children, we have learned the parts of a plant. It consists of many parts, and the parts of a plants is divided into two parts, right? We have learned that the parts of a plants divided into two parts, that is root system, that is the parts presence inside the soil under the ground, that is the root system, and the parts below the soil, that is we can see, that is the shoot system. In root system, the roots are also in two parts. Okay, that is the taproot and fibrous root. In shoot system there are in shoot system there are stem, leaf, fruit, flowers, birds, etc. and branches, etc. Okay, and we have learned there are two types of roots, and in the stems also we have learned there are many kinds of stems, many types of stems, that is thick stems or thin stems. And the leaves also, the leaves are green in color because due to chlorophyll. Okay, that is the pigment, colored pigment, that is called chlorophyll. Okay, we have learned that. And next, flowers are very beautiful parts of a plant, and it presents from the flowers, the fruit will, from fruits the flowers will, flowers are there. And the next one is fruit. Okay, fruits are very juicy and fleshy, that everyone is like to eat fruit. No children? Okay, so we have learned the parts of a plant. Okay, so we will discuss this lesson again in the discussion class, children. Okay children, if you have any doubts or clarification, again we will discuss this lesson in the discussion class. Okay, no, so till then, take care everyone and bye.